Guys, nanatang pink dere. So, yung favorite, comment man ka pink. Okay. Raspberry. I know you like stars, so I found this. No, that one. This giant ball, huh? It's not a gumball. You want the candy? Nanan. Ano ko ito aksamado? So, heart. You had heart. And one more topping. So clear. Okay, this is all the toppings. Let's see what you like. The star. You like berries, huh? Purple. No, I'm just joking. Those pink na berries or something. Maybe strawberries you like? Oh yeah, I know you like strawberries. This is the lid. Oh, Jesus Christ. What you name your this one? Comment down below. Whee!